Hey, have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth, love, and success effortlessly? It's not luck, it's manifestation. But here's the thing, not all manifestation techniques are created equal. Today, I'm going to share the most powerful manifestation technique that can help you attract your dream life fast. And no, this isn't just wishful thinking. This method works because it aligns your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of what you want to manifest. Whether you're looking to manifest financial abundance, your soulmate, better health, or career success, this technique is a game changer. Plus, it's backed by both spiritual principles and science, like the law of attraction, law of assumption, and the power of the subconscious mind. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this technique to start attracting your dream life. No more waiting, no more guessing. And hey, if you're ready to unlock the life you truly deserve, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video on manifestation, mindset, and success. Alright, let's jump in and break down how manifestation really works, and why this technique is the most powerful one out there. Alright, let's break it down. How does manifestation actually work? Is it really possible to attract anything you want just by thinking about it? The answer is yes, but there's more to it than just wishful thinking. First, there's the law of attraction. The idea that like attracts like. This means your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs send out energy frequencies that attract similar experiences back to you. Then there's the law of assumption, a concept taught by Neville Goddard. This law says that if you assume something is already yours, it must manifest into your reality. In other words, believing it's done is the key. But here, where it gets even more powerful, your subconscious mind plays a massive role. It controls 95% of your daily actions, beliefs, and habits. By reprogramming your subconscious with positive thoughts, you naturally start attracting better opportunities and experiences. Visualization is another game changer. When you visualize your goals with strong emotions, like excitement, gratitude, and joy, your brain starts to believe it's real. This sends powerful signals to the universe, aligning you with your desires. And don't forget, the energy you put out matters. High-vibe emotions like love, gratitude, and confidence raise your vibration, making you a magnet for positive experiences. On the flip side, negative emotions like doubt and fear block your manifestations. So remember, manifestation is a mix of mindset, belief, and energy. But the key is aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions as if your desire is already yours. Now that you know how manifestation works, let's dive into the most powerful technique, the 5-step method that's helped thousands manifest love, money, and success. Now that you know how manifestation works, let's break down the most powerful technique, the 5-step manifestation method. This method works because it aligns your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires. Ready? Let's jump in. Step 1. Clear your intentions. First, get crystal clear on what you want. Be specific, whether it's attracting $10,000, finding your soulmate, or landing your dream job. Write it down because this simple act starts aligning your energy with your goal. Step 2. Visualize with emotion. Close your eyes and visualize your goal as if it's already yours. The key is to feel the emotions: joy, excitement, gratitude. Engage all your senses, see, hear, and even smell your dream life. This emotional energy is what attracts your desire faster. Step 3. Reprogram your subconscious mind. Use affirmations daily to rewire your brain. Repeat positive statements like, "I am abundant," "I attract love easily," or "Success flows to me effortlessly." Say them with confidence, especially in the morning and before sleep, when your subconscious is most receptive. Step 4. Take inspired action. Manifestation isn't about sitting back and waiting. Take steps toward your goal. Apply for that job, start that business, or say yes to opportunities. The universe responds when you show up and take action. Step 5. Let go and trust the process. Finally, detach from the outcome. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes, even if you don't see results immediately. Let go of doubt and desperation. They only slow things down. Here's the secret. When you believe your desire is already yours and take inspired action without attachment, you align with the energy of success, love, and abundance. That's when manifestation happens, often faster than you expect. And don't worry, we've got more techniques coming up that can boost your manifestation power even more. Alright, now that you know the most powerful 5-step method, let's explore other manifestation techniques that can amplify your results. Each one is unique, so find what works best for you. 1. The 369 method. This method is all about repetition and focus. Write your desire 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. It helps keep your goal top of mind while aligning your energy with your intention. 2. The 2-cup method. This technique uses water and intention to shift your reality. Label 1 cup with your current situation and another with your desired outcome. Pour water from the first cup into the second, then drink it, symbolizing your shift into the reality you desire. 3. Scripting. Write a journal entry as if your manifestation has already happened. Describe every detail, the emotions, surroundings, and experiences. This helps your subconscious believe your goal is already real. 4. The pillow method. Before sleep, write down your desire on a piece of paper and place it under your pillow. As you sleep, your subconscious absorbs this intention, helping you manifest faster. 5. Acting as if. Live as if you already have what you desire. Want to manifest wealth? Start thinking and acting like a financially abundant person. This shifts your energy and attracts the reality you want. These techniques work because they focus your energy, reprogram your subconscious, and strengthen your belief. But remember, the key is consistency and emotion. The more you feel like your dream is already real, the faster it manifests. Now, let's make sure you avoid the common mistakes that can block your manifestations. Trust me, you'll want to know these so you don't slow down your progress. Manifestation works, but sometimes we unknowingly block our desires. Don't worry, it happens to everyone. Let's break down the most common mistakes and how to fix them so you can manifest faster and easier. 1. Doubting the process and second-guessing yourself. The law of attraction technique works, but only if you believe it will. Doubt creates resistance. Instead, use powerful manifestation methods like daily affirmations and visualization techniques to strengthen your belief. 2. Manifesting from a place of lack or desperation. If you constantly think, "I need this," you're focusing on not having it. Shift your mindset to abundance by acting as if you already have what you desire. This raises your vibration for manifestation and aligns you with success. 3. Not taking action to align with your desires. Visualization alone isn't enough. You have to meet the universe halfway. Whether it's applying for that dream job, improving your skills, or networking, taking inspired action accelerates manifestation. 4. Overthinking and obsessing instead of trusting. Constantly checking if your manifestation is working only slows it down. Instead, practice the art of letting go. Use manifestation meditation techniques and journaling for manifestation success to release attachment. 5. Ignoring your intuition and signs from the universe. The universe often guides you with subtle signs, numbers, coincidences, or gut feelings. Pay attention and act on these signals. They're leading you toward your manifestation. 6. Using negative self-talk and limiting beliefs. If you think, "I'm not good enough," or "this is impossible," you're blocking your desires. Reprogram your subconscious with the best manifestation affirmations, especially during the morning or before sleep when your mind is most receptive. 7. Focusing too much on how it will happen. Don't worry about the how. That's the universe's job. Your role is to focus on the what and why. Trust that the universe will handle the details in the fastest manifestation technique possible. 8. Forgetting to raise your vibration. High vibrations attract faster. Use techniques like gratitude journaling, meditation, and visualization to elevate your energy. The higher your vibration, the faster you attract love, money, and success. 9. Being inconsistent with manifestation practices. Manifestation requires consistency. Whether it's scripting, daily affirmations, or visualization techniques, make it a habit. Consistent focus strengthens your energy and signals the universe that you're serious. 10. Giving up too soon. manifestation takes time. Trust in divine timing, even if things aren't happening as fast as you'd like. Stay patient, keep your vibration high, and know that your desire is on its way. Manifestation isn't just a theory. It works in real life. Let's dive into success stories from people who used powerful manifestation methods to attract love, money, success, and happiness. These real-life examples show that when you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions, anything is possible. 1. Manifesting financial abundance. Alex was struggling with debt and living paycheck to paycheck. After learning about the law of attraction technique, he started visualizing financial freedom, using affirmations like "money flows to me easily and abundantly." Within months, Alex received a job offer with double his previous salary and paid off his debt. 2. Attracting true love. Sarah had been single for years, unsure if she'd ever find love. She used scripting for manifestation success, writing daily journal entries as if she were already in a happy relationship. Within 6 months, she met her soulmate unexpectedly, and they're now happily married. 3. Achieving career success. Mark dreamed of becoming a successful entrepreneur but felt stuck. He combined visualization techniques for manifestation with taking inspired action, networking, learning new skills, and launching his business. Within a year, his company became profitable, and he's now living his dream life. 4. Improving health and fitness. Lisa struggled with her weight and lacked motivation. Using the law of assumption Neville Goddard taught, she started believing she was already fit and healthy. She visualized herself full of energy, enjoying workouts, and eating healthy foods. Soon, her habits shifted naturally, and she lost 50 pounds without feeling deprived. 5. Manifesting a dream home. James and Emma wanted a home in their dream neighborhood but thought it was out of reach. They created a vision board, visualized living in their ideal house daily, and trusted the process. Within a year, they found the perfect home within their budget, exactly as they had imagined. 6. Attracting unexpected opportunities. Mia wanted to travel the world but couldn't afford it. She started using the best manifestation affirmations daily. "I am open to new adventures and opportunities." Within months, she won a contest that funded her dream trip to Europe, completely unexpectedly. 7. Overcoming limiting beliefs for success. Ethan believed he wasn't smart enough to pursue his dream career. By reprogramming his subconscious mind with daily affirmations like "I am capable and deserving of success," he gained confidence, went back to school, and landed his dream job. 8. Receiving unexpected gifts and blessings. Emily started practicing gratitude journaling for manifestation success. She wrote down what she was thankful for daily, raising her vibration. Within weeks, she began receiving unexpected gifts: free concert tickets, surprise bonuses, and even a new car from a family member. 9. Fastest manifestation technique in action. Jake needed a new job quickly. Using the fastest manifestation technique, he visualized receiving a job offer every night before sleep, trusting the universe. Within just 2 weeks, he received an unexpected call with a job offer that perfectly matched his goals. 10. Small daily manifestations build confidence. Manifestation works for small desires, too. From finding parking spots easily to receiving compliments and unexpected cash, daily wins build confidence in your manifestation abilities. Celebrate every success. It attracts even bigger blessings. Manifestation is a powerful tool that can truly transform your life. Whether you're manifesting love, wealth, success, or health, the key is aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires. By using techniques like visualization, affirmations, scripting, and taking inspired action, you can attract anything you want. Remember, belief is everything. Trust the process, let go of doubt, and stay focused on your goals. Manifestation works when you align with the energy of what you desire. So keep your vibration high, stay positive, and know that the universe is always working in your favor. Your next step, don't wait. Start manifesting today. Write down your desires, visualize them as if they've already happened, and take one inspired action right now. Trust that the universe is aligning everything to bring your dreams to life. And hey, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video on powerful manifestation methods, the law of attraction, and mindset tips to create your dream life. Comment below, what's the first thing you're going to manifest? Share your goal and let's support each other on this manifestation journey.